Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily unsend all messages on Instagram at once. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then get into your DMs, and after that get into some conversation where we want to remove messages. And right here, as you can see, I got some messages sent to that person, and let's say I want to remove all of them. So all you have to do in the same situation is just hold down on those messages and then hit on unsend. That removes one message at a time. So in order to remove all the sent messages, you should repeat the same steps one by one with each particular message, just like that. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.